Want a simple budgeting formula that actually works? Budget smarter with the 50-30-20 rule. Try the 50-30-20 rule. It helps you divide your money wisely without stress or complex math. Thanks for following up. If you've just seen our video, here we share personal finance and investing tips. Kindly subscribe, likes and share to your friends. Here's how it works. 50% goes to needs: rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants: lifestyle, fun. 20% goes to savings or debt, building your future. If you earn $10,000 monthly, that's $50,000 for needs, $30,000 for wants, $20,000 for saving or paying debt. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and helps you build discipline fast. Subscriber for Part 4. We'll explore free tools to make budgeting even easier.